how to edit the server so that the server display your server name instead of the old name. So for example, that before it was even PS, like in our case, now it will be Satucre Escape. So basically that consists into editing all the texts in the server. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so first of all I'm going to open Eclipse and the cache folder in case we need it. Alright, now that everything is opened, let's get started. So first of all, what you're gonna do is you're going to go into the tab search and you're going to click on file dot dot dot. That's going to open a search interface which is used to search in every Java files you have in all your explorers. So for example, if you see in the text box, in one of the text box, there is store.java. So that means it's going to search in all the Java files. So for instance, that you want to search in all the text files, you're going to write store.text file in that text box. So now what I'm doing is I'm writing even PS in the search bar, so that's gonna bring up everything that has even PS in, so I can just change everything to Satucre Escape. So as you can see, we have all the results right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on everything and just change everything one by one because that's our best bet. I'm going to speed up the clip so you guys can still watch it and pause if you need and just repeat what I do. But the clip is really long, so I'm just gonna speed up so you guys don't get bored because I won't be talking as it's literally the same thing over and over again. So see you guys soon. Alright, so now we're done changing everything. It's time to log in and just check if everything is fine. Everything looks fine, which is good. So on the ground, like we can see, it's written even PS in colored letters. That's an object, so even if we change stuff in the server, it did not change that because that's a custom object they added. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove this in another episode, in the episode of adding custom objects, but for now we're just gonna leave it like that. It's also the same thing in the interface. As you can see in the achievement interface, we can see even PS in pink letters. The even PS in pink letter is written on the interface and not server-sided, which is why it did not get removed when I changed everything to Satucre Escape. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove this when we get to the episode of interface making, which is not this one. So let's move on. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to make yourself owner. So first of all, you want to go in the package explorer. You're gonna open your source. So in my case, Satucre escape source. You're gonna open data package. You're now going to go into characters package, and you're gonna find your name. If you don't find your name, that means that either you did not log in yet or you never logged out. So one of the property of a RuneScape private server, it saves your account when you log out. So if you don't see your name, just log in, log out, it will save your account. Also, if you still don't see your name, even though you logged in and logged out, just right click character package and do refresh. Your username will appear. Alright, now we are in your character folder, so you can see everything related to it. So we can see character position, 8, title, right, password, username, prestige level, and so on. A lot of useful stuff. So we're gonna go into command.java, so you can either search it or you can go into the package server model player packet and just find the class commands. Why are we going into commands.java? It's because all the player rights are written at the top of the class, so it's easier for me which number is related to which rank, because it's different in each sources. For example, in GatorX, owner is rank 8, contrary to this source, which owner is rank 3, as we're gonna see really soon. So as you can see right here, it says if client player right is equal to 3, just execute the owner commands. So by seeing that, we can know that player right 3 is equal to owner. So we're gonna go into our character file, so in my case Satucre, and we're gonna change character right to 3. So that's gonna make us an owner. As you can see here, the character password is not my real password. It's like a lot of letters and numbers. That's the only reason for that is because the password is encrypted. It's not the real password. So if someone hacked the server, they won't be able to see the passwords of everyone. They will have to decrypt the passwords, which is a good thing for security and whatnot. Alright, so now we're gonna go back into the server, and as you can see, I am an owner. I can spawn item with the command item space the ID of the item space and the amount of item that I want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'm gonna see you next time. Peace. Shut the fuck up. J'étais en train de fucking commenter ma vidéo. Ça me donne-tu 5 minutes de finir ça? Fais pas de bruit, ok?
Oui.
Thanks.